Hey guys, it's Grace. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be an unboxing of a bundle that is coming to the shop tomorrow. It is a Hobonichi bundle and I'm so excited for you guys to see it because I've been planning this for a little over a month and a half, close to 2 months now. There's a few things in the bundle, but the first thing I want to show you is the sticker kit. So over here we have a trifold sticker kit. I am so happy on how this turned out because I really love carrying my Hobonichi kits with me, especially on the go. So I make sure any kits that I designed are able to fit inside your clear covers or even in, you know, these little pockets that came with the Hobonichi. Like my clear cover has it, but pretty much everything fits in there. I'll keep my Hobonichi handy because I want to show you guys something else. But for the kit itself, let's move that some more. Over here you will get 2 sets of top and bottom washi and also 2 sets of these skinny strips. Let me show you guys what it should look like in your planner. You can use it any other way, of course, but I just want to show you how it would look like. So the top and bottom, so this is literally 1 set. You also get a skinny strip. So I designed the sheet to specifically give you at least 2 weeks worth of spread. If you are like really not a sticker user, then it could give you at least 3 to 4 if you want to. So on the second page right here, you get 14 heart scallop checklist. It is not a full strip, so that you could either, yes, use it as an actual strip, or you could put it anywhere in your Hobonichi and still use it as a checklist, especially if you like to stack them like I do. And then for the date covers, I did one that's a little cursive and then the other one is just your plain, you know, sans serif type of font. But I wanted to make sure this time that it is a full strip so you don't have any trouble of placing your date covers. Also in the same sheet, you will get a lot of icons. With the Hobonichi, I really like using smaller icons and character stickers, so I made sure there's a ton here. And then in the bottom, you have some just like font script stuff like to do, workout, meals, chores, and there's a lot more. And then on the third page, I wanted to make sure that you guys get a lot of quarter and half boxes. So you have 12 quarter and then 12 half boxes. You also get 2 bill dues, 2 habit trackers, 2 marquees, and 2 weekend signs. The weekend banner is actually a little skinny. I just want to make sure it's small enough to be placed anywhere. So that's pretty much it for the sticker sheet. And then for this bundle, you will also get a pencil board. This is just on, like, not too thin, but it's kind of thin cardstock because this is a pencil board, and what this is for is it goes behind your current week. Let's say over here, especially if you're like me, you write really hard and you don't want the dents. This is like thick enough to protect the following page. So yeah, you get one of that. And this also has the Martin Luther King quote, "Only in darkness you can see the stars." And I thought it's perfect for the background, and it's double-sided. It's not laminated, so you can do whatever you want with it, or even like just put it as like a dashboard and stuff, but totally up to you. The next thing in the bundle is this pen right here from PS Sticker Co. It matches our kit perfectly, and I am just so grateful for Karen for collabing with me, and it writes amazing. Like, it's kind of like a mix of gel and ballpoint pen. It will take a few seconds to dry in your Hobonichi, but I really love using these kind of pens in my Hobonichi and any other Tomoe River paper. Any similar style of pens out there in the market right now writes exactly the same way as this one. And then the last thing you're gonna get in this bundle is this washi right here. Let me show you guys like an actual new one. So this is mine. But you're gonna get a black background with holographic mini bows. It's kind of hard to show you, but the holographic is in silver. I learned from ordering washi that there's gold and silver holographic. Alright guys, so for the bundle you are gonna get, again, the pencil board, the trifold sticker sheet. There's a little bit of difference in the color because this is a different white for stickers and this is a white for cardstock, so I can't really match them, but that's the best I could do. And then you're gonna get the washi, and the pen. I will have the link down below for you guys for the shop, but make sure you check out all the details. What time this is going to be released will be listed in the description box below. It will go live on the shop at 11 a.m. Central, so I will see you guys there. The sticker sheet you are able to purchase a la carte, as well as the pencil board and the washi. The pen is the only item available just with the bundle. You can't get it a la carte. So if I were you, I would get the a la carte first and then add-ons with the extra stuff you may want. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and again, don't forget to check out the links down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!